Why are you busy with gloom? Because I walk like I got oil well pumping in my living room. Just like moon and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes screaming high, still unaroused. So this poem is basically, the theme of this poem is about strength and the challenges, the resiliency. And then for the element of poetry, the structure, this poem has 3 stanza and 12 lines. And then the repetition in this poem, you can see the word I arise is repeated, I think twice, in the beginning of the poem and then at the end of the poem. And then for the imagery, the speaker using a vivid image such oil, dust, and then gloom, like that. And then this poem is using metaphor and simile. The metaphor is like speaker compare the self to the natural. And then so overall this poem is about